Hello everyone, this is me Danish Khan. Today I am standing here in front of Telika Mandir, which is located in Gwalior Fort. Gwalior Fort is made by Suraj Sen and is called the Gibraltar of Gwalior. Today I will tell you something about the Telika Mandir. There is something about the Telika Mandir. So now I will tell you about the inside the Telika temple. There's inside. Come with me. As you can see, there's the Telika Mandir behind of me. There's a famous temple in our Gwalior located in fort. It's made by Mihir Bhuj and it's a very famous temple in our Gwalior. There's a very beautiful places behind of me, the Telika Mandir. It's made by the Mihir Bhuj and in the 8th or 9th century, which is very structured, beautiful places, and there lots of pillars are there made of the lots of paintings and the scriptments of made by the king ruler. It's a Pratmikta and made by the South Indian like a structure of temple. As you can see, there's a behind of me, there's a main gate of Telika temple, Telika Mandir, and there's a lots of sculpture made upon on the gate. This gate is 35 feet and 11 meter. It's now at the present time there is no any statue in the temple. It's in the earliest period it's dedicated to the Lord Vishnu, Matrika and Vishnu. You can see there's a lots of things there's a made up of beautiful places. There's a many of sculptures are broken by the Mughal emperor and the British peoples. There's a gate there inside for the inside and for a Teli temple. Today I am standing here to say something about there's a pillar made up in the earliest period, and according to the Michel Maester, and he said that 750 CE it's made by the archaeological people. He said he's a professor of archaeologist, and there's a lots of pillar and there's a stage structures numerous. It's broken by the British people because lots of things are there in this temple, and there are most beautiful pillars. It's made inscriptions and lots of things are there in this temple. There's a lots of things in this temple inside. There's a pillar at the highest pillar is made by the archaeologists, and lots of places are there in this temple. The height between the 35 to 40 feet. It's according and lots of things are there. It's the archaeologists made their scriptures. Structure from the square to rectangular. Square it's above the 30 to 70 feet, and there's a one pillar is the above on the temple, and it's a very long height temple. As you can see, I am standing here behind of Telika Mandir. There's a Lord Ganesha which has a pose of dancing, and the lots of structure there, and the women's, and there are lots of lords are there, and there's a two pillar above the temple, and the structure it's broken, and the two pillars are extended over there, and by the earthquake it's broken. As you can see, the behind of Telika Mandir there's a statue. There the water come inside like a blessed water. Lots of people drink this water which came from inside the temple, and there's a square side to the rectangular temple, and lots of structure are there which is made by the archaeologist, and then now the British people is broken, but